everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm doing a VR for Mary Ellen's Crafts and Hauls. She is hosting a 500 subscriber giveaway. I will be sure to link her channel down below and you can check out all the details of her challenge requirements. This is the project that I am sending her. I cut the bunny face using Doodle Charms Cricut cartridge and stamped it with some peachy keen stamps and a wood mounted stamp, and I did some chalking just for some extra details. She is requiring an ATC card. This is the ATC card that I'm sending her way. I recently picked up this Bubblegum bowl machine in a yard sale and I thought I would give it a try. It's super cute, was fun to make. I did make it into a shaker. It's so fun. I did put my information on the back and I made a little pocket to slip it into. And I know she said no extra goodies, but you know I have to send a couple of my dewdrops her way. So I am sending a little something extra. And that's my entry. Thank you, Mary Ellen, for hosting such a fun challenge. Congratulations on your 500 subscribers. Thanks so much for stopping by, guys, and have a great day.